to my feet and she did smile at me. I don't really know what it means. Me, I'm in a bit of a limbo, but still I will make a move on this young